Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition could be an affordable rival to the iPhone 12. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is reportedly on the way to replace the Galaxy S10 Lite in Samsung's lineup. And the leaked specs look pretty solid for the price, which would give the company a worthy rival to the upcoming iPhone 12. There's nothing that will prevent the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition from being a very powerful handset, though, and if it means lower prices, then we're all for it. With the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor from the S20 backed by 8GB RAM, it's certainly going to be no slouch, and the battery gets a 500mAh boost to 4500mAh. The S20 Fan Edition will have a 2400x1080 AMOLED display, which is lower in resolution than the S20, but will still support a 120Hz refresh rate. By comparison, the iPhone 12 is rumored to feature a 60Hz display. On the camera front, you can expect a 3-lens array that includes a 12-megapixel f1.8 main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and an 8-megapixel zoom lens. It's worth noting, however, that the above spec is for a 5G version. WinFuture reports that Samsung also has a 4G model in the works. But given it comes with the inferior Exynos 990 chip, you might decide you want the 5G model, even if you won't be seeing the kind of data speeds that warrant it anytime soon. Of course, this might be a Europe-only thing, given Samsung does intend to use its own Exynos chip stateside. This price would be a good $250 less than the regular Galaxy S20 launch price, and it should be competitive with the iPhone 12, whose rumored starting price is between $650 and $750. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has a rumored release date of October, according to the LEC. And a new leak has the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition tipped to launch very soon. And it won't be alone, as it looks like it will be joined by the Galaxy S20 Lite, which was previously thought to be a separate phone. Thanks for watching, see you in another video, don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.